Alright guys, today we're headed to a fishery called Lake Thompson. I've been having some decent luck there, catching some northern walleye and even a few crappie. So we have some good conditions today. We got overcast skies, a little bit of a breeze to help put some chop on the water. And basically we're just going to get these 1/8 ounce jig heads. They're green. And we're going to tip them with either this Berkeley Gulp chartreuse shad, or I bought these, they're called Viber grubs. I've never really tried them out, but one of my friends used to use them and he would catch a lot of northern on those. And if none of those work, we're gonna try the good old Rapala Rip and Wrap, and basically just rotate through those baits, see what works for us, and hopefully catch some fish. Alright, so when you're jigging these baits, you just kind of want to keep trying different things. If a certain way is not working, if you're fishing a bait for 20 minutes or so and haven't had any bites or anything, just try some different action. Drag it on the bottom, give it some different pops. Alright guys, we got one on. I think it's a crappie. Oh no, we got a small pike. Barely. Oh, I'm falling down here. He just barely grabbed it. Small pike. I was fishing it real slow actually. Oh, you son of a gun. Nice little pike there. He's not big or anything like that, but it's always fun to catch fish. Just on that little shad, chartreuse shad. Get him unhooked here and release him. There you go. Get him released so he can grow up and, oh jeez, so he can grow up and become a big monster trophy pike. Alright, we've been working the chartreuse shad for about 45 minutes now. And we've only had one bite, but it's still early in the day. So we are gonna tie on the Rip and Wrap and see if that can't catch us some fish. Alright, this Rip and Wrap seems to be attracting too much moss. I think it runs a little too deep. So we're gonna go back to the shad, since we already caught something on it, and keep fishing here. Alright, we're gonna move down shore a little bit. See if we can't catch something a little farther down. Oh, jeez. Oh. Took a tumble there. Oh, that freaking hurt. Oh, there's one. Yes. There we go. Come on, baby. Yes. There we go. Nice crappie. Yeah. Come on. Oh no, it's a white bass. Either a white or silver bass. I don't really know the difference, to be honest. If any of you guys know how to tell the difference between these guys. I always call them white bass, but everybody seems to have different opinions on them. But that's a nice one actually. I mean, they're not really that great of a fish to catch, but they're still fun. Put up a good fight. Comment that in the comments below if you know if that's a white or a silver bass. I don't really know, to be honest. Get him released. Whatever. Caught about 2 fish already. Haven't got them on camera though, so hopefully we catch some more for the camera. Got one, Harley?
What do you say?
Harley's got one. Today we're fishing with the infamous Thad Hinkle. He's a homeboy from Howard. There's one. Got a good one, boys. I think it's a nice walleye. Peeling a little drag. Oh my god. You're
pretty much how I felt after the one I lost.
There's one.
Here you go. Your hand's right in the way of the GoPro.
He's peeling a lot of drag. Here we go.
It's in.
Here we go. Here we go. He's a small guy. Nice walleye on the little jig head and twister tail. This is the 4th one I've caught, but didn't get the first 2 on camera. The last one I lost.
It's not in the top tackle box, it's in my backpack.